Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a cuticle drill safely and effectively. First, always prioritize hygiene by sanitizing your hands and all drill bits thoroughly. Next, choose the correct bit. A fine grit, small barrel, or flame-shaped bit is ideal for delicate cuticle work. Finally, set your drill to a low speed, generally between 5,000 and 10,000 revolutions per minute, to prevent damage and ensure a gentle touch. Before using the drill, proper preparation is key for a smooth process. Begin by gently pushing back the cuticles with a metal pusher or an orange wood stick, creating a clear working area. Then, apply a small amount of cuticle remover to the softened skin around the nail plate. Let the remover sit for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing it to effectively loosen any dead skin. Now, let's focus on the drilling technique. Hold your drill at a 45-degree angle, keeping it parallel to the nail plate for optimal control. Apply very light pressure, using short, sweeping motions around the cuticle area. It's crucial to work in one direction and lift the bit frequently, perhaps every 2 to 3 seconds, to prevent any uncomfortable heat buildup on the nail. After drilling, it's time for the finishing touches and essential aftercare. First, thoroughly wipe away any dust and excess cuticle remover using a clean, lint-free wipe. Next, apply a generous amount of nourishing cuticle oil to rehydrate and protect the delicate skin around your nails. Remember to moisturize your cuticles regularly, perhaps once or twice daily, to maintain their health and beautiful appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.